Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for February 3rd, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is Unity. All Are Welcome by Alexandra Penfold, illustrated by Suzanne Kaufman. Pencils sharpened in their case, bells are ringing, let's make haste. School's beginning, dreams to chase, all are welcome here. No matter how you start your day, what you wear when you play, or if you come from far away, all are welcome here. In our classroom, safe and sound, fears are lost and hope is found. Raise your hand, we'll go around, all are welcome here. Gather now, let's all take part. We'll play music, we'll make art. We'll share stories from the heart. All are welcome here. Time for lunch. What a spread. A dozen different kinds of bread. Pass it around till everyone's fed. All are welcome here. Open doors, rush outside. We will swing, we will slide. We'll have fun side by side. All are welcome here. We're part of a community. Our strength is our diversity. A shelter from adversity. All are welcome here. We will learn from each other. Special talents will uncover. There's a big world to discover. All are welcome here. So much to learn, so much to do. And when the busy day is through, can't wait to come back, start anew. All are welcome here. Head for home to get some rest and greet tomorrow ready and fresh. Our time together is the best. All are welcome here. You have a place here. You have a space here. You are welcome here. The end. We're going to make a Maraca, and what you need is your craft to go kit, which includes a clean pop bottle, a mixture of aquarium gravel and star confetti, some stickers of foam hands. Some of them are stuck together because it was hard popping them all off the sheet, but I did my best. So you might have some that are a little wonky that you have to pull off extra paper. And there's a handful of those. And there's also some foil stickers. We have stars and hearts and diamonds and circles, and they're kind of holographic, if you can see that. The only thing you might want to get on your own is either a funnel, or you can use your paper that has the instructions on how to do it. I'm going to use my paper to make a funnel. So what we're going to do is we're going to open the bottle, and we have to get these rocks and this confetti inside, and that'll make the Maraca sound. So I'm just gonna roll this up, try to stick it down in there. It's not gonna work. It's kind of on the outside, but see how I have the top a little bit bigger? If I look down inside it, I can see all the way in. You can't do it on the camera. Can you see into the hole? I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump these in. You might want a second set of hands to help you. Making a good sound. couple of rocks and stars fell out. And I'm just gonna drop them in with my fingers. There's 3 more in here. I'm just gonna drop them in the top. But the funnel idea is a lot faster than putting these suckers in one at a time. So we got that done. You'll put the lid back on, screw it on tightly, and there's the Maraca sound. And then you can just stick some stickers. We have the foam hands for Unity, different colors of hands. Just gonna stick those on wherever. And you don't have to use them all, just use what you want. But I'm gonna go ahead and stick these on, and then I'm gonna stick some of the foil ones on, and then I'll come back and show you what my Maraca looks like, because I'm sure you don't want to sit there and watch me stick on stickers. You'd rather do your own. Okay, I put a bunch of stickers on it. I have some stars, hearts, circles, bunch of hands across the top. You can still see the stars inside. I even put a star on the top of the lid. And that's all you do. And then you hold it by the lid. And you got a Maraca. Sorry, parents.